I've always had a thing for creatures of the night, wise old owls and leathery bats, and of course those little black cats. Their eyes see through the dark within, and the shadow becomes their evil twin. Slinking through the inky depths, nobody hears their soft footsteps. Little black cats are coming, little black cats with claws. Little black cats are coming, all answering my call. I cast spells of speed upon them, then send them into the night to carry my curses through the town before the hated morning light. You'll never see them coming, you'll never know they're there, until your milk goes sour or you start losing all your hair. Little black cats are coming, little black cats with claws. Little black cats are coming,